talk, pink polos, I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like bad boy.
Out, you guys. So I'm wearing a 99J 13x6 lace front wig from westkisshair. So this is how the inside of the wig looks, and I'm gonna put my hand and show you guys a closer view of the lace. So I did go ahead and plug the hairline a little bit. It already came pre-plugged, and I did bleach the knots, but you didn't have to bleach the knots if you didn't want to. I did go ahead and also put the adjustable bands in. I do that from now so that once it's on my head, I'm not struggling to do it. So now I'm just going ahead and adjusting it onto my head just to my likings, and so far both is fitting on. So if you guys have been watching me, I have been telling you guys that I took a break from doing the ball cap method, but being that this hair was like 613, I really wanted it to melt in super good, and whatever parting space I did, I wanted it to look really scalpy versus like having natural color hair. So I did go ahead and do the ball cap method. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and cut around my ear tabs. I'm gonna be using a razor because a razor just glides through the area easier for me. So I'm just going ahead and going up just like that. Okay, so that's now ear one and how it looks, and now I'm gonna go ahead and go up and do this ear. So this is how it looks. I'm now gonna go ahead and part my hair in the middle. So this is my Slick Me wax stick. You guys can purchase this on my websites. I'll have the link listed down below of all my hair products. So this is gonna just slick the hairs. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and just cut off all that extra lace using my razor. So this is what it looks like now. I'm now going to go ahead and just flip it back just like this. Now I'm just going to take my glue and do some layers of it. So now that this side is starting to dry clear, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my second layer. Alright, so it's dry clear enough. I'm going to go ahead and begin to put it down. So once this coat dries clear, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. So now I'm gonna go in with a darker face powder for my complexion, just to help blend that out a bit better. I'm gonna use this scarf that this company sent me. I'm gonna go ahead and spray out my hairline using this spray, and this is gonna give it that extra melt. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna go between my hair and begin flattening it out with the hot comb. You guys, so I'm gonna go ahead now and just begin my baby hairs. Guys, so I pulled out the places of where my baby hairs are going to be, and I'm just going to go in with my hot comb and just lay them flat down, just like this. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going ahead and taking off that melt. So y'all, it's laid. It is. Alright guys, so now that I've basically laid everything out, I'm gonna go in with my razor, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut out my baby hairs and trim them down. This razor is really old, so I am having to like jag it. I'm gonna actually use my scissors just to move a bit faster. So let me see. Alright, so now I'm going in with this. And I'm just going ahead and curling it like that, and that's my first part, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my sides. I'm just gonna go in with my baby hair gel and do my baby hairs. So now I'm almost done. I just gotta do one more baby hair. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the melt band, and this is what it's giving. I ain't played with this install at all, okay? This shit giving what it's supposed to give. Alright, so now I think I decided that I'm just gonna do like two decent, not decent, but like two braids from like right here though, like right here and like right here, and then I'm done. So first things first is I'm just going to adjust my part because I swear it's this braid came out perfect. I hope I can do the same to the other side. So that's that side, and that's that braid. And now I'm going to do the same to this side. I went and I parted it out like alright you guys, so now I'm completely finished with my two braids. One thing that I did forget to do is, I think it looks so cute. One thing that I did forget to do is put some makeup down my part, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna also go ahead and take some of my spray and just spray out. I knew it was gonna be cute, but not like this cute. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom back out and show you guys the hair. And I'm gonna just part it in the middle. I didn't put any products in it, so yeah, this is how the hair looks on its own. And I'm actually not going to put any products in. I'm just running my hands through it. And opening up the curls a bit so it could be a little bit more fluffy. But besides that, I'm not gonna put anything in it. I'm actually gonna leave it like this. The most I put in it is my sleekness spray, and that'll just give it like a nice shine and a nice luster. But yeah, so this is how the hair came out. I think I look so cute. So I am wearing a 99J hair. This hair came colored like this. I didn't have to do anything to this hair. You don't have to bleach the knots because the knots are burgundy, but if you want a more natural look and you don't want burgundy dots, I would definitely recommend bleaching the knots. So I did bleach the knots. I didn't wash the hair. I only washed the front part and bleached that part. I held the hair upside down and rinsed it out that way so nothing else got messed up. I love the hair. The install came out really, really pretty. Not a lot of 99J and pre-colored hair feel actually soft, but as you guys can see, like, it's moving like butter. I really didn't get a lot of shedding anyways. This is like probably what I got, and that's about it. I'm wearing hair from westkisshair. This is one of my favorite companies. I love working with westkisshair. They have some of the best hair, and I've been working with westkiss for over maybe like 4 years or so. Maybe like 4, yeah, I'm gonna say like a good 4 or 5 years. So definitely always a good install. So I love it. I love the two braids. I used to always do like similar two braid hairstyles, so it's been a while since I did it, and I think it came out really, really cute. So yeah, make sure you guys check out westkisshair for some bomb, affordable, quality hair. Thank you guys so much for watching the tutorial. Bye.
Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like bad boy street.